Hey, today we're going to do an unboxing of 120 acrylic markers. I'm very excited. I bought them from Amazon. There are multiple sets available depending on how many markers you want, but I decided to start with the 120 pack. Oh my god, I love the colors. This is the front of the box, and on the back we can see all the colors included. We also have a few replacement marker tips in case they get damaged and need to be replaced. And on the box, we can test each marker according to its number. And now it's time to see the markers. Even though we have that spot on the box for testing them, I prefer to do it separately. I've had this mini sketchbook for a long time, and I want to use it for art supply tests. So let's start. This is what the marker looks like. It has a window where you can see how much ink is left inside, and the tip is a brush type. I tried to sort them by color as best as I could based on the cap color. And that's it! These are the 120 acrylic markers. I put the link in the description so you can get them too. Subscribe to see the next drawings made with these markers and many more. If you enjoy this kind of content, leave me a comment and a like. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.